Welcome to Points of View Reference Center. Today we're going to look at how to navigate this database to help you find information for your argument or debate. So as we start out here, you'll notice at the top of the page, there are various search options for basic and advanced search as well as for search history. We'll be returning to these later, but first I want to take a look at the whole landing page. It starts out with this section in the news, where there are overviews of various controversial topics such as police brutality, globalization, mental illness awareness that you might be interested in knowing a little bit more about. Clicking on any of these will give you an overview of the topic with both the pro arguments and the con arguments. Scrolling down, we can see the Browse by Category area, where for each category, they give you 3 topics right off the bat. But if you want to know more, you click on the plus sign and it will unpack the whole topic for you. So for energy and conservation, we can see that it ranges all the way from alternative energy exploration down here to wind power. Continuing to scroll down the page, we'll see that the next section is the reference shelf. Here you'll find that there's an area to create an essay outline, and there are also research guides on various topics like how to organize your thinking visually, how to write a clear thesis statement, and many other useful tips. Below that, there's a spotlight topic each month, and then there's a featured topic from the news. So we're going to take a quick look at immigration restrictions. Clicking on this button will take us to an overview page, which helps us to understand the issue of immigration restrictions. As we scroll down, we can see that we have the option to either read or listen to this topic. This is the overview. If we want to know the pro, we click over here on the point. If we want to know the con side, we'll click over here on the counterpoint, and immediately it pops up with an overview of both sides of this argument. And again, we have the option to listen to the content, read it, or both. Going back to the home page, I'm going to show you a little bit about the search features. So first, let's say I'm interested in a topic like teens. So I stick in teens as a keyword, and it gives me only 5 results. Well, that's not quite what I was looking for. So I'm going over here to advanced search, and maybe I'll try teenagers, and in quotes over here, social media. Maybe I'll find something in this topic that I am interested in. I've got my and I'm going to click search. And this gives me just one topic here. An overview of social networking sites. Well, let me try then to go up here to the taskbar. I'm going to click on subjects. And I am thinking I'm interested in social media, so I'll choose that. But then I only want topics related to teenagers. And I'll browse teenager-related topics to see what keywords I should use. Here we go, teenagers. And I'm going to explode the topic so I get any synonyms for teenagers. And I'm going to go ahead and hit my search button. This will take me to 13 overviews, fake news, social media and privacy, the same site we saw before with the overview. Social networking sites are essential for relationships. Oh, mobile devices are detrimental to personal relationships. So I'll click on this. And this gives me an overview of one side of this topic. I could click over here to get the overview or the counterpoint. And I'm interested in finding more like this. So I'm going to click over here on similar results. And that will give me similar results over here. I now have 927 possible articles that I could use from 2010 to now. Right now, they're only points of view, but I could explode that if I wanted primary sources, if I wanted magazines, and I could also narrow it by subject or by publication if I wanted to. So as you can see, this is a great place not only to start your research, but also to find supporting articles for your research as you go along. So Point of View Reference Center is available through Ebsco. Check your local library or your school library to see if you have access, and happy researching.